Towards this end, I invite you to be our dynamic and vibrant partners as we guide ASEAN in 2017. Our theme, Partnering for Change, Engaging the World, captures our resolve to consolidate our community for our peoples with a sense of togetherness and common identity, ready and able to take a rightful place in the global community of nations. The Philippines ASEAN Chairmanship coincides with this historic milestone event. We will celebrate the 50th anniversary of the founding of our association. It will be an occasion for us to set the tone for the next 50 years. Join us in making the commemoration of ASEAN's 50th a success. With great honor and humility, I accept the chairmanship of the ASEAN from our excellent host, the People's Republic, Democratic Republic. I look forward to seeing you all in the Philippines in 2017. Thank you and mabuhay.
Yan po yung naging talumpati mga kapuso ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte kaugnay sa ginawa niyang pagtanggap ng chairmanship ng ASEAN para sa taong 2017. Yan po ay para sa susunod na taon. Ibig sabihin, next year dito po gaganapin sa ating bansa ang ASEAN Summit.